Good evening, everyone. What's up? Just ate a satisfying meal and topped it off with the dessert. This is Mr. Hot to speaking. Previously, there was a review on Coca-Cola. This is the 450th review. Today's review on our Nature Valley Crunchy Peanut Butter Granola Bar. This has 16 grams of whole grain as advertised. It is 1.5 ounces, net weight 42 grams, 190 calories for 2 bars. The ingredients are whole grain oats, sugar, canola oil, peanut butter, peanut salt, yellow corn flour, brown sugar syrup, soy flour, salt, soy lecithin, baking soda. Contains peanut and soy ingredients. Here's the ingredients flat. Now to the nutrition. For 2 bars, 190 calories, 60 calories from fat, 7 grams of fat, 10%, 1 gram of saturated fat, 4%, 80 milligrams of sodium, 7%, 28 grams of carbs, 9%, 2 grams of fiber, 8%, 11 grams of sugar, 5 grams of protein, 4% iron. Alright, let's open this. Nice packaging, nice orange packaging. It has a nice logo. The Nature Valley logo is nice. Same with it saying crunchy. So it has an okay logo. It smells very peanut buttery. It smells very dry. Looks like granola with peanut butter in it. Very hard, very crispy. Let's go. Very sweet, peanut buttery, crunchy, crispy, hard. They just snap in half when one tries to break them. They are very messy too. So these are really addictive. The texture, oh yeah, they're pretty hard. They're hard and rough. Here's a better view of them. They're very hard and rough. They're composed of granola, peanut butter flavored granola, and shaped into a bar. Here's a little piece of it. Overall, very addictive. Great, 10 out of 10. Crunchiness, crispiness, hardness, peanut buttery flavor, the sweetness. Overall general appeal, very well done, 10 out of 10. That's all there's to say for this review. See one of 451st review. Good